Hello children, today we will learn our page number uh, 2020, topic value and respect of work, dignity of labor. So please take out page number 20 of your SST book. Now listen carefully. Ramu is a sweeper in a school. Who is Ramu? Ramu is a sweeper in a school. Who is a sweeper in the school? The person who cleans the classrooms and toilets and all. Okay, he is a sweeper. Okay, sometimes he's sad. Sometimes he is very sad. बहुत दुखी. Why? Because the other workers in a school tease him for his work and show no respect because he cleans the toilet. Sometimes this Ramu is very sad because what is the reason behind that? Why he is sad? Because sometimes people not giving any respect to him. Because why not giving any respect? Because he is a sweeper and he cleans the toilets. That's why they make fun of him or tease him. Okay, that's why he becomes sad. Okay, every every day Sita goes to a vegetable seller to buy vegetables for her home. What Sita do? Sita is a girl. She goes to vegetable seller for the to purchase vegetables for her family. She shows respect and humbleness to the seller every time when this Sita goes to vegetable seller. She respect that person because she says namaste and all, because she knows this vegetable seller has very much importance in her life. Because without this vegetable seller, what will happen? We will not get any vegetables. For we need vegetables to make various different types of dishes, and we need to eat something every day. So if there is no vegetable seller, what we will eat? We need to eat. So vegetable seller has such a important role in our life. Okay, we should always value every work of a people has written, that is wrong, of a person, because in the absence of them our environment may become lame. In this book we should always value every work of a people has written. A people is wrong, a person. Okay, what is it? What's the meaning of this sentence? We should always value every work of a person, because in the absence of some people our environment may become lame. What is the meaning of this? We need to respect every people in our life, because all are doing different jobs. All, some are doing good jobs, some are doing like this cleaning toilets and cleaning these roads and collecting garbage and all. So but we need to respect them, because if they are not in our life, we are not going to do all this work. We are not going to, you are coming to school and you are not going to clean the toilets. We need uncles, aunties in our school. So many uncles and aunties are there in our school to clean our toilets, isn't it? If they are not there, what will happen? We will not we cannot sit properly in the classroom. We will get we will suffer this bad odor from the toilets, and we cannot sit there properly. You cannot study properly. So each work has its own value, and we should respect the work done by them. Every work has its own value. We should, and every person has his own value, and we should respect all the work done by them. So if he is a vegetable seller, if he is a sweeper, if he is a garbage collector, we need to respect everyone. I will explain in Hindi also. That in this paragraph we will learn about the dignity of labor. What's the meaning of dignity of labor? Very easy language, that is हमें हर काम को रेस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए, क्योंकि सब अलग अलग काम करता है. जैसे कि स्वीपर मीन्स जो हु क्लीन्स द टॉयलेट्स एंड ऑल इन आवर स्कूल, और गार्बेज कलेक्टर जो कूड़ा उठाता है, और जो वेजिटेबल सेलर वेजिटेबल्स बेचता है. वी नीड टू रेस्पेक्ट ऑल ऑफ दम. हमें रेस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए उनको. वाई? व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? बिकॉज विदाउट देयर हेल्प वी कैन नॉट लिव. हमें उनका हेल्प के बिना हमारा लाइफ स्मूथली नहीं जाएगा. सो वी शुड respect all the work. Okay, so that is known as dignity. Every work has its own dignity, every work has its own importance. Okay, so this paragraph says to us. Okay, so what will this only this paragraph I will explain today. So I had told you I will send this short answers type questions PDF. Next, long answer type questions. Some children have already done all the short answer type questions. Some, only a few children are there. They are saying that we are not able to write the answers and all. I don't know why they are saying like that. Why you are not able to write, I can't understand anything, because every day I am sending these videos of 5 to 10 minutes video, and you are not getting time to listen to the video and write the answers. Very I am not happy with some children. Okay, I'm in the Zoom class also, when I see this attitude of some children, I am getting angry, but I can't do anything from here. Because some children are sitting without any interest, without copy, rough copy, pencil. This from this March onwards we are doing this online classes. I am teaching, not only me, all the teachers are teaching you online classes, and still some children are not able to understand what to do. They are just coming to take this past 40 minutes they are coming and sitting, and when I ask them to show the copy, book or pencil, they are not able to show me anything, and they are saying that I can't understand what you are asking, ma'am. What are you asking, ma'am? We can't understand what you are asking. What you are asking, we are not able to write anything, we are not able to understand anything. Why? What is the reason behind that? I am explaining in both languages, in English, in Hindi. It is not allowed to speak in Hindi in our school. Still I am explaining in Hindi, because I know you are not able to go to tuition classes and all, and you are not able to understand the things properly. So I think it's my responsibility to make you understand what I am teaching. That's why I am saying you in this I am explaining the chapter in Hindi also. Still some are there, not all. Okay, some children are there very good, they are responding very well. I am very happy with some children, but some are there, they are not showing any interest. That's not a good sign. Okay, now now you have to go to class 3. Still some are there, nothing is there, not able to understand anything. I don't know why, what is the reason. So now long answer, I will send short answer type questions PDF, not today. I will send it when I get time only. Because I am not encouraging this of behavior of some children. They are waiting for the PDF file. They are not they don't want to listen to the audio and understand the things and then write. They don't want to do anything themselves. They want to get all the things. They want only spoon feeding. Ma'am will come with a spoon and will feed us. That is the attitude of some children. So I am not going to send the PDF. When I get a time only I will send it. Okay, so I think almost children have written the answers, almost. Only a few children, 2-3 children, and this sending me messages that we are not able to get the answers, we are not able to get the answer, we couldn't understand anything. Why? All the time I am sending this video, and I am very clearly saying the answer. I am dictating even the spelling. Still some are not able to understand. So I can't do anything. Okay, so sorry. Now take out long answer type questions. What is an occupation? Name some common occupations. What is an occupation? This is the definition. Definition is not there in your book, so I am not giving you now. I will send it as PDF. Take out page number 23. Long answer B. What does our teacher do? Take out answer. Long answer A. आपका बुक में नहीं है आंसर, ऑक्यूपेशन का डेफिनेशन, दैट आई विल सेंड यू, बाद में मैं भेजूंगी आपको आंसर. नाउ टुडेज होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज 2 लॉन्ग आंसर बी. व्हाट डज अ टीचर डू? अ टीचर क्या करती है? आंसर पेज नंबर 17 फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द टीचर टीचेस अस मेनी थिंग्स विथ लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड पेशेंस. अ गुड टीचर सर्व्स हिज और कंट्री एंड सोसाइटी. no need to write like this. First, page number 17, first paragraph. The teacher teaches us many things with lots of love and patience. Then a good teacher serves his or her country and society. Okay, full sentence writer, while giving better education to his or her students. I will this is long answer question, so you need to write minimum 2 sentences. That's why it will be little bit lengthy. No problem, learn it now because you are in class 3. Okay, listen, what's the answer? The teacher teaches us many things with lots of love and patience. टीचर सिखाता है हमें बहुत सारे चीज़ बहुत पेशेंस और लव के साथ. अ गुड टीचर सर्व्स, एक गुड टीचर सर्व हिज और हर कंट्री, जो हमारा कंट्री को सर्व करता है, हमारी सोसाइटी को कैसे सर्व करता है, वो बेटर एजुकेशन, अच्छा एजुकेशन बच्चों को दे के वो हमारा कंट्री और सोसाइटी को सर्व करती है. ओके, so this is the answer of long answer B. Do in copy. Okay, this is for the day. Thank you, and I will explain this. This topic is not completed. Value and respect of work, dignity of labor. That we will explain one more time in my next video. Okay. Thank you.